Here I've got V-MOBILE S39 and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So the first pretty quick method is to slide down the upper bar. Here you will notice Do Not Disturb mode icon, simply click on it. And now decide if you would like to pick total silence, alarms only or priority only. So let me pick for example total silence, which will block all sounds and vibrations including from alarms, music videos and games. But I will still be able to make phone calls. So I will pick this one and I will pick the until you turn this off function. And that's it. As you can see, click on done. And now you're in total silence mode. Here you will notice the sign of DND mode and that's it. Now you can protect your focus easily and also you can open this mode through the settings. So simply open list of all applications at first, then find and select the settings, scroll down and pick sound and notification where you will notice Do Not Disturb. Click on it and here you can personalize your DND mode. So you can pick priority only allows, so you can allow reminders, events, messages or calls. So let me for example switch off events and then add messages from contacts only. And we can do the same things for calling, so from contacts only. And there's also truly useful functions, so repeat callers option, and if the same person calls a second time within 15-minute period, allow it. So yes, please let me activate it. Let's go back. And also you can set some automatic rules over here. So simply you can pick weekend, weeknight, event, or you can add yours. So let me add a new one, new rule. It will be time rule. Let me name it hard reset. Click on OK. And it's time to personalize it. So let's pick the days on which DND mode should be activated. It can be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Click on done. And then let's pick the period of time. So it can be on between 11 p.m. and 6 a.m. next day. And that would be all. Oh, just lastly, let me pick the DND mode, so priority only, alarms only, or total silence, and I will pick alarms only. And that's it. Let's go back. You can obviously switch off this rule whenever you want to. Simply open it. Here it is. And you can switch it off this way if you would like to permanently remove this option. Tap on the bin icon and confirm that you would like to delete this rule. And then you can also pick DND access and you can access it from Google Account Manager, Backup Transport, Google Play Services and Services Framework. And that's basically all. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate DND mode in your V-MOBILE S39. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.